Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena Rugal and I invite you to crochet such amazing cord that can be perfect to create bracelet, necklace, belt or earring. Or also it can be like an edging, trim. As you can see, for this cord I used beads. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me. Please write comment below the video what you will get and where you will use such cord. It is very easy to make, so you don't need special skills. Please join me, let's get started crocheting. For work I'm using 2mm crochet hook, a ball of yarn, it can be cotton yarn of a half of the cotton yarn, and of course beads. Before the work I threaded beads onto the working yarn. In both examples I used different colors of beads, but in one size. Let's make the cord. Start the work from a chain. Well done. Then draw 3 beads. Make a chain with each bead of these 3. 1, turn a little bit, 2, and make the last one and the third one. I have done 3 chains. Now I'm working with treble crochet. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the chain stitch. Now I am going to work with 3 treble crochet. Make the first one, the second one, and the third one. I have done 3 treble crochet. So yarn over the hook, insert the hook around these 3, pull up a loop, 1, in total it should be 6 of them. So each string consists of yarn over and pull up a loop. I hold all loops with my finger, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I stop and let's look at this point. I hold all loops with my finger, all strings are the same. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 3 loops, till you will get 1 loop on the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. My first segment is ready. Now I show you how to continue working on such kind of segment. For the next one you should draw 3 beads. Let's repeat. Now I am making the second segment. Make a chain, then 3 chains with bead. 1, turn a little bit, 2 and 3. Then 3 treble crochet, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did without bead. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. And pull through 2 loops. Make the second treble crochet. And the third one. Well done. Then work with strings, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the 3 stitches, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. 1, in total it should be 6 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I hold all loops with my finger. All strings are the same. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 3 loops till you will get 1 loop on the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I have done 2 small motifs with beads. Here how it looks. And now I show you how to begin the third one, and you will continue by yourself. For the next one, make a chain, then draw 3 beads and make 3 chains with bead. 1, 2, 3. And make 3 treble crochet into the first stitch that I did without bead. And make the first one. 2, and 3. So my base is ready. Let's make the strings. Now I show you how to complete such segment. Yarn over, pull up a loop 6 times. Yarn over, insert the hook around the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. I hold all loops with my finger, I remove my beads, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the third small segment is ready. So it is very simple, quick, and very interesting. So keep working in this way as many times as you need. So that's it. My project is ready. For this project I used different colors of beads. In the first one I used white color, in the second one green color of beads. My segment consists of 3 treble crochet and strings. It is very easy to make, so you don't need special skills. Such cord can be perfect to create jewelry, earring, or also you can put like a trim or edging for your big project. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video tutorials. Please write comment below the video what you will get and where you will use such project. Bye!